young mentors and they have very bright minds. And therefore they do well in studies. And those students who don't get good marks in their examination, they feel about themselves that we do not have strong mind. Our mind is not so sharp. Therefore we don't understand and we don't get good marks. I personally don't agree. I feel one who gets good marks is the person who works hard. And when you work hard, your mind also starts responding. When you spend time on revision, your mind starts absorbing. When you concentrate here in the class 12, when you concentrate here in the class, concentration always leads to learning. It is next to impossible that you concentrate and you don't learn. So we have got some students here. They often get good marks. All teachers always appreciate them. Now if they really have sharp mind and it is only their sharp mind which helps them to learn, then they don't need to work. फिर तो इनको मेहनत करने की जरूरत ही नहीं, क्योंकि इनका माइंड तो शार्प है. फिर तो कोई अभ्यास करने की जरूरत नहीं, कोई रिवीजन करने की जरूरत नहीं. तो मैंने इनको कोई रिहर्सल नहीं करवाई. इनसे जानते हैं कि भाई ये अच्छे मार्क्स कैसे लेते हैं, उसके लिए इनका पढ़ने का तरीका क्या है, पढ़ने का सलीका क्या है, ये इन्हीं से जानते हैं. तो माइक है जी आपके पास? चलो ठीक है बेटा, पहले आप अपना नाम बताएंगे कि सबको, और उसके बाद जो मैं आपसे प्रश्न पूछूंगा उसका आप जवाब देंगे. ठीक है? उसके लिए कोई भी देयर इज नो नीड कि भाई whatever we are doing in the class, that should be our answer. There is no need of making up your mind for answering a question. Whatever is the honest reply, it is that honest reply which should be given. Okay? My question to you is, what are your priorities when you are in your class? Like you are in your class, so what are different priorities that you have?
Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Pradeep Singh and I am a student of class 2 arts.
Yes.
If we are in a class, we should have to
तो आपकी अपनी priorities क्या होती हैं?
We have to concentrate on the class.
So your priority is concentration.
Yes.
Number one. Yes.
Second is the hard work.
Hard work means in the classroom you have to work hard. So
Yes.
how do people come to know that you really work hard?
From our good marks and from the
Do you listen to the teacher very attentively?
yes sir.
So while listening to the teacher, do you look here and there?
No sir. We have full concentration on the what the teacher has done.
We means I.
Yes sir.
Say I. Right? So you always concentrate in the class.
Yes sir.
So concentration helps Pradeep to do well in his studies. So if it helps Pradeep, it will help everybody. Everybody should concentrate. Yes. You also repeat. What are your priorities? आप जब क्लास में होती हैं तो आपकी प्राथमिकताएं क्या हैं? क्या हमने क्लास में जरूर करना है ताकि हम अच्छा काम कर सकें?
Firstly, very good afternoon to all. I am Harshpreet Kaur of Plus 2 Commerce class.
So this is Harshpreet Kaur from 12th Commerce. Yes, please.
My priority is to concentrate on whole work which teacher has to be done on the class.
So your priority is to concentrate on everything that the teacher shares in the class, that the teacher teaches in the class. Okay?
I have made the notes on rough copy.
So you always make notes in your classwork notebook. Do you take care that you have to make your notes in the classwork notebook?
Yes.
Okay? So that those notes that you maintain in your classwork notebook, that always help you.
Yes.
Okay? So how do you make use of those classwork notes?
When I have problem in any subject or in any formula.
No, when you go home, do you make use of classwork notes or you don't make use of classwork notes?
I make use of classwork notes.
So you revise everything.
Yes.
Revision helps.
Yes.
Does it help a little or it helps a lot?
Help a lot.
If you don't do revision, can you have thorough understanding? So what is required for thorough understanding?
So full revision and
Yes. So revision. हर्षप्रीत कौर does revision. वो रिवीजन करती है तो उसकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग होती है. तो रिवीजन कोई भी घर जाके अगर करेगा तो उसको अंडरस्टैंडिंग जरूर होगी. हर्षप्रीत को होती है. तो आप भी अगर घर जाके रिवीजन करेंगे तो अंडरस्टैंडिंग जरूर होगी. लेकिन अगर घर जाके जो क्लास में किया हुआ काम है उसको हम रिवाइज नहीं करेंगे तो हाउ कैन वी रियली हैव थॉरो अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ एवरीथिंग दैट इज डन इन द क्लास? And whatever notes are maintained in the class, those should always be maintained in classwork notebook. In which notebook, dear children? In which notebook, dear children? Fine. Yes. Next. जी, बेटा अपना नाम बताओ.
Esteemed principal sir and worthy teachers, first of all, a very good afternoon to all of you. My name is Jobanpreet Singh. I am from 10th.
So Joban, for you, the question is, you do work in the class,
Yes.
as Harshpreet also said.
Yes.
So, what do you do with the work which you do in the class when you go home?
I revised all the work and I have made key points to revise and remember all the work.
So, I mean, classwork which you carry home,
Yes.
it is always beneficial for you.
Yes.
So, revision is useful for you also.
Yes.
So, Jobanpreet is also one of the toppers of class 10 and he also revises. So, if you don't revise whatever you do at home, do you feel that you can get good marks?
No.
No, everybody says you have sharp mind. So it is with sharp mind you can get good marks. So it is with revision that you can get good marks.
No. It should be revised. That.
तो फिर sharp mind का मतलब responsible mind.
Yes.
If you are responsible and you do revision, it helps. तो ऐसा तो है नहीं कि वाहेगुरु has given you some special mind, okay, and which he has forgotten to give to rest of the students. Is it like that? God has done some kind of discrimination. God कोई भेदभाव करते हैं?
No.
गॉड तो सबको एक जैसा बनने का मौका देते हैं, लेकिन जो रिस्पॉन्सिबल होगा वो बेहतर बनेगा, जो रिस्पॉन्सिबल नहीं होगा वो कैसे बेहतर बनेगा. चलिए एक और क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछते हैं जी. When you go home and you do revision, do you find any kind of difficulties?
Yes, I do. Fine.
You find some difficulties. So what do you do with those difficulties?
First of all, I tell my teachers.
No. Do you make a note of those difficulties?
Yes, I make. And then confirm from teachers.
So you note down those difficulties?
Yes.
If you don't note down those difficulties in any notebook and you come to the class, so do you have those difficulties fresh in your mind? Is it possible? So what is essential? What is message for everybody?
It's essential that we should confirm our difficulties
We should note down our difficulties.
and confirm with our teachers.
Yes, and discuss those difficulties with the teacher. So difficulties copy pe note karna, that is very important. So Jobanpreet also does this thing that he also notes down his difficulties in his classwork notebook and he brings those difficulties to the school and then he shares those difficulties. Chale, next question ji.
Good morning to all. Good afternoon to all. My name is Panika and I am from 10th Commerce Standard.
बेटा ये बताएं, do you rise early?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा. Do you feel that it is good to rise early?
Yes, it makes my mind fresh.
Okay, so when you have fresh mind, how do you make use of that fresh mind?
I revise the work.
In the morning.
Yes.
Does it
As-
help?
Yes, sir.
How does it help?
As in the morning, our mind was fresh and
Mind is fresh
Yes.
and you have freshness all around also.
Yes, sir.
There is no knocking at the door.
Yes.
Huh?
No
There-
noise.
No noise is there.
Yes, sir.
Mummy is also not working in the kitchen. No sound of utensils is there. No vendors, no hawkers are there. सब्जी ले लो, पुदीना ले लो,
Yes.
हैं? ऐसी कोई आवाजें नहीं आती हैं. So nature also helps you at that time.
Yes.
So when nature is giving us the blessings, do you get the benefit of those blessings or you ignore those blessings?
We must get the benefit of that.
So this is your message to everybody.
Yes, sir.
Give your message.
We must get the benefits of the nature's blessings.
Very good. So please get the blessings of nature in the morning by being an early riser. Next, Abhinur,
Yes, sir.
very honestly, what time do you get up in the morning?
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock.
Yes.
Okay. So 5 o'clock, how much time do you get in the morning to concentrate on your studies?
1 hour.
1 hour at least you get in the morning.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So those who don't get up early in the morning, that means they get less time.
Yes, sir.
So if we get more time, our preparation will be stronger.
Yes, sir.
So answer in complete sentence.
We will complete, concentrate on our subjects and also do more efforts.
So rising early is a habit that is a winning habit, or it is a habit which makes us lose.
No, it is a habit which makes us more confident.
Yes, so early rising is the habit which makes us win. Early rising is the habit which makes us a winner. Early rising is a habit which makes us learn better. Okay, and that makes you a strong student.
Yes, sir.
So, भाई इसमें sharp mind, dull mind वाली तो बात है.
No, sir.
Anybody who gets up early and starts studying will do well in studies.
Yes, if we do hard work, then we almost.
So, is there any such thing, bright mind, dull mind?
No, sir.
So Abhinur is also one of the toppers of class 10, and she also feels that there is nothing like bright mind, dull mind. Anybody who works will get good marks. Yes, brother.
Sir, I'm a victim from 10th science.
Okay. But now you please tell what happens when you have a high goal.
Well, when we have a high goal, we are very determined to achieve it. For example, I want to be a doctor, and that's why I'm very determined to become a doctor. I know the lesson
So
plan.
this, yes, carry on.
I know the lesson plan which I have to follow every day. For example, I have to do extra practice for my NEET exam, and therefore I will surely make it.
Very good, very good. So when clarity of goal is there, soul is very inspired. When soul is inspired, we really work harder, we work more, we work better. So this is what this one of the bright students of class 10 also feels. And she is bright because she makes an extra effort and she has clarity of her goal. And goal is high. When goal is high, then with our wings we always fly and we always touch the sky. Good. Next please.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Harmeet Singh, student of class 2 non-medical.
So beta, you tell us कि you are doing well in your studies.
Yes, sir.
So do you have to make certain sacrifices also for doing well in your studies?
Yes, I have to make some sacrifices. That is, first of all, I have to use less mobile phone at home to avoid any kind of obstruction in my studies and to give proper timing to studies and to concentrate all what's done in the
So
class.
do you need to sacrifice some of your sleep?
Somehow, yes, I have to
So
sacrifice.
some of sleeping hours are also to be sacrificed,
Yes.
and TV viewing hours,
They must be sacrificed.
they must be sacrificed. Socializing
Yes, they also.
Socializing is also required to be reduced.
Yes.
So there also we should be mentally prepared to sacrifice. Good, very good. So here we have Ranjit God. Ranjit God, this is my question to you. If other students, आप जैसे you are a strong student in your class.
Yes, sir.
If rest are not strong, तो definitely ये तो आपके लिए बल्ले बल्ले हो गई. But if you have all students who are very strong, will it be helpful for you or harmful for you?
It will be harmful for me.
तो अगर सारे strong हो जाएंगे तो competition कड़ा हो जाएगा.
That will be competition very hard. So
हाँ.
for me, I will do very
So
hard.
will it be helpful or harmful?
For me, it is helpful.
Helpful, yes. That will work. That will make you work harder.
Harder,
You will
harder.
not become complacent. You will make constant efforts.
Yes, sir.
ओके आप कांस्टेंट एफर्ट्स करेंगे बेहतर बनने का. ओके तो बच्चों देखिए, कांस्टेंट एफर्ट्स करें, हाई गोल रखें, रिवीजन करें, वर्क करेंगे तो वर्क करना आ जाएगा.